Since we are getting close the Dragon Boat Festival, what's the signature dish at this period of the year?
That will be Zongzi.
Zongzi. So, today, you will teach me how to make Zongzi.
Yeah, I do have a secret recipe from my grandma. I will show you all the ingredients and how to prepare them.
And after, I will try to imagine and create some new Zongzi with Western or other countries' inspiration.
So, let's see how I make 客家粽. So right now, we've already have all the ingredients. Dry radish, mushroom, and the braised pork, and mini shrimp, and shallot, and rice, and bamboo leaf. So on y va. First, put the juice inside the rice. That's the key part to seasoning the rice. Okay. Put the shallots inside the rice too, and mix it well. Choose a big enough bamboo leaf. Make a 3D triangle bag like this. Okay. Put some rice inside and press it slightly. Put the braised pork. I'm greedy, so I always put the 2 pieces, and some mushroom, dry tofu, and the dry radish. Put the rice again to cover all the ingredients. Cover the top first and fold it from 2 sides. Keep the triangle shape. And in the end, the result will be a 3D triangle zongzi. The last step is take a rope and just tie it up like this. And for this part, just cut it just like this. See?
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
Okay.
To try and find the middle points here. Okay? And fold it. Follow my step. Just like this. You just the middle point is here, right? And fold it like this. See?
Yeah.
You just organize it.
Voila!
Yes, yes. And put the 2 pieces of pork and tofu and mushroom, dry radish, and some mini shrimp. Yes. And the rice. Cover all the ingredients.
This?
Nice. Voila!
Ta-da!
No, no, no,
Yes!
no,
Look!
no. Like this, okay? Grab it. One hand. Yes, like this. Okay? And good. Actually, you did it really well. Okay, nice. So now you know how to prepare 客家粽, right?
Yes.
So next, what are we going to do?
Let me prepare some ingredients and I will try to make some Western style zongzi. Alors,
Alors,
we can start with what?
German?
Yeah? Okay, German. So with mustard,
Mustard,
sauerkraut, and sausage.
rice with mustard.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
What? Is it weird?
rice with mustard. Interesting.
Sauerkraut, sausage. What? Sauerkraut again. German style Zongzi. Hey, up. No? It's not bad, huh?
It's a ball, not a triangle. One side and one side. Actually, I think you can wrap it.
Okay. So, second one. Italian one. Maybe I can just mix a lot of pesto with the rice.
Oh.
So the rice is really rich and tasty. And I just add some mozzarella ball in the middle. So when you open it, you will have a really
Like a
cheesy core heart.
we call 千丝.
Voilà.
So first mix the sauce with
Yeah,
rice.
some rice.
Rice. Dinner.
You can add more. No, more.
More.
Put a lot.
Put a lot like
Yeah.
this.
More.
More. Actually, it smells really good.
Yeah, of course. So I can put more.
And what's next?
More.
More. Wow. Better and better.
Some mozzarella cheese.
Yes. I don't know how Italian people will think about it.
They will hate me, but it's fine. I don't mind.
Oh my
I'm
god.
used to it. Italian people they always hate any experimentation with their food, so I'm ready for it. Of course, they won't appreciate it.
Italian Zongzi.
I should add some pineapple.
You will get more hater.
Okay, this. Ta-da! Thai style Zongzi. Okay, you can add some
Sauce, okay.
some rice.
Rice,
I will add some coriander
coriander,
and basil. Some sauce.
parsley sauce.
This Thai sauce, but
Sauce, okay. The chili.
chili, maybe half. No?
Half, okay. Yes. Smell really Thai. Pineapple. Nut. Shit. Sorry, I'm hungry.
I think after this video, you will find Zongzi in Thailand. One side.
Let me wrap it for you.
Okay, please.
This is a beautiful one. It's a little bit red.
Okay.
Yummy.
Voila. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. The last one.
Okay. I will try sweet Zongzi with the rice, but with potato. So I have the raw potato that I prepared just before, and I will add an egg and some flour inside. Some salt. I think this will be so delicious. So delicious.
Bacon.
Bacon. Cottage cheese. This you won't like.
Can try.
Yeah.
Potato again. Grab one side. Grab it tight. Yes. That's it. Not too tight. Not too tight. You will squeeze it. No, here. Yes. So
Let's cook the zongzi.
let's see the result later.
Voilà. And we will taste them, of course.
Voila! We finished the cooking.
So we don't know which one is which one, so we will just choose this one, for example. We will open it and we will discover what's inside.
Oh yes, it's a traditional one. 客家粽. Really typical 客家 flavor. Try the pork.
So good. Wow, the pork is so tender. Wow.
You can have the
The meat is so good.
You like a 客家粽?
Yeah. I like it so much. So good.
So let's try the next one. Okay, this one.
Up.
And what's the flavor?
Thai.
Smell really Thai.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. It's a little spicy.
I should put more sauce actually.
Yes,
You see?
but it will be really
I was scared to put too much sauce.
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try the next ones.
Let's try the next one.
I choose this one, the ocarina. No? Yes, it looks like an ocarina. You know ocarina?
Ocarina?
The instrument. Yeah.
Okay, definitely Italian.
Pesto.
Yeah, pesto. Ooh, cheese. I saw the cheese. I don't eat cheese. Sorry.
Try here, I think.
Okay. Wow. The rice is really good.
Look at this.
千丝. We call it 千丝.
天丝.
Yes.
Voilà, 天丝. Oh my god.
They are really happy. Tasty? I can see you really enjoy it. But honestly,
Yeah.
it tastes like a Italian style.
Yeah. Sorry for the Italian people who will watch this, but it definitely tastes like Italian food.
Italian Zongzi.
Look at this, my god.
Wow. 千丝.
Have you already seen that in Zongzi? No, no!
Wow.
Okay, next one.
Next one. Let me choose.
Yeah.
Ta-da. I cannot remember what you
We have
make.
German and
yeah,
Swiss,
German one.
Swiss. So I think it's German maybe.
Yes, I think it's a German one. I'm
I think the German one we should put
I'm not
potatoes as
sure.
well. Potato, sausage, mustard is the totally German. Kartoffeln, Kartoffeln, Wurst.
Kartoffeln.
Yes, it's a potato in German.
Kartoffeln.
Kartoffeln, yeah.
Yeah, the sausage is really good. But the rice,
It's too dry.
yeah,
Not enough mustard.
it's still eatable. It's better than eatable, so
Yeah.
not bad. Next one.
Last one. Sweets Zongzi. Wow.
Ooh.
It's the most triangle one. With potato.
There's no rice.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, but there is cheese inside. So...
You.
Yeah, the potato is not.
It's not cooked.
It's not totally cooked.
How was the flavor?
The flavor is so nice.
So nice.
But yes, this should we should cook it maybe
10 more minutes.
yeah at least 10 more. Yeah.
Okay. So we tried all the zongzi we made today. Which your favorite one?
But of course, the best one is the original one. Everything is perfectly cooked and seasoned, so.
Yes. And the second one is the
Pesto,
Italian one. Third one is the Thai. Let's say Happy Dragon Ball Festival 端午节
端午节
快乐
快乐
Okay, let's say that again. 1, 2, 3.
端午节快乐
See you next time.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.